This bread is delicious, easy to make, and much healthier than any store-bought bread. You can enjoy this bread every morning with your favorite jelly or however you like it. Enjoy! Pour in a stand mixer 200 grams or 3/4 cups of milk. Add 100 grams or 2 large eggs, 60 grams or half a cup of granulated sugar, and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. To make this sourdough starter, combine 25 grams or 1 3/4 tablespoons of water in a jar. Add 25 grams or 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter and 50 grams or a third of a cup of flour. Mix the ingredients with a silicone spatula. Then, use your hands to knead the dough until you get a stiff ball of dough. Cover with a lid and let it ferment for about 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Add 400 grams or 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And knead for a couple minutes with the dough hook until the dough is well incorporated and looks like this one. Add 28 grams or 2 tablespoons of butter as you keep mixing, and 8 grams or 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix for about 25 minutes until the dough is soft, elastic, and it doesn't stick to the walls of the mixing bowl. Place the dough on your working table. Stretch and fold it several times to finish the kneading process. Form a ball of dough and place it in a grease-proofing bowl. Cover the dough with plastic wrap or a plastic lid and let the dough proof until it doubles in size in a warm place, or place it in the fridge for a long cold proof overnight. When your dough is ready, place it on a silicone mat or a flour surface. Use a rolling pin to extend the dough. Dust the dough with plenty of flour. Extend the dough to create a long oval shape until the dough is about half an inch or 1.25 centimeter thick. Now, roll the dough from one of the edges of the dough and form a big, tight roll of dough. Seal the size of the roll of dough with your hands and use a pizza cutter to cut the dough. Make cuts of dough every inch or every 2.5 centimeters. Do this to add a better presentation to your bread. Now, pull the dough around the roll of dough this way so you create the shape of this bread. Arrange the dough well and place the dough on a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Cover the dough with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough proof for about 4 hours if you proof this bread in the fridge, or 1 to 2 hours if you proof it in a warm place. Brush the dough with egg wash on all the surface of the dough. This will give a beautiful golden color to the crust of your bread. Place the dough in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes or until your bread is golden brown. Take the bread out of the oven and place it on a cooling rack for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This is a very soft and delicious bread. It is a very versatile bread. My kids love to eat this bread in the morning with some Nutella, but I enjoy it better with my favorite jelly. You can enjoy this bread just as it is, but it tastes great toasted too. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe. I have a new video every week.